Hello student, today we are going to learn standard 7's second chapter 1.2 odd one in. So this is third part of this chapter. So let's start. Malti sang beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang, but there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. So we had seen that in second part that there was singing competition in the school. So Malti had participated in Hindi song category. So then Malti sang very beautifully. He had a she had a melodious and well trained voice. So Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang. Rima and her gang was decided that jeer means कुछ मस्ती करेंगे उसके गाने के टाइम. But there was such absolute silence they did not dare to. वो dare नहीं कर पाए. They were such to get cough. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping. When Malti finished, the principal was the first who was clapping, followed by teachers and students. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. No one was surprised because she sang very beautifully. So she won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. So Rima also did come in her category. Means her category was English category. But somehow she felt no joy. No joy means उसे खुशी नहीं हुई. As the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was bright child. Here the abundantly means extremely. So as the term progressed, it was abundantly clear to all that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. Abhyasu, and intelligent. She fared well in sport as well as in studies. She fared well. बहुत अच्छी थी स्पोर्ट्स में भी और स्टडीज़ में भी. हर फोर्ट वॉज मैथमेटिक बट वो मैथमेटिक में बहुत ही अच्छी थी. हर सिंपल अपीरियंस बिलीड अ शार्प एंड निम्बल ब्रेन्स. उसका जो सिंपल अपीरियंस था वो बिलीड कर रहा था कि वो कैसी है, शार्प एंड निम्बल. हियर द निम्बल मीन्स क्विक. Slowly, many of the girls began to seeking her help in mathematics. Slowly, उसकी जो क्लास की गर्ल है वो उसे मैथ में हेल्प लेने लगी. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave, and she was also ready to give help in mathematics. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. और teachers also like now girl from the class also befriended her. तो धीरे धीरे उसकी क्लास की जो गर्ल्स थी वो उसकी फ्रेंड बनती गई. नॉट रीमा एंड हर क्लिक दो. या द क्लिक मीन्स द स्मॉल ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल. दे stubborn dislike Malti. Here the stubbornly means जिद्दीली, मतलब determined not to change. So they were a stylish lot. बहुत स्टाइलिश थे. एंड नथिंग दैट मालती डिड कुड आफ्टर अ फैक्ट दैट शी वॉज नॉट देयर टाइप. एंड मालती वॉज सिंपल गर्ल. दियर अपीरियंस was very simple. So they thought that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her, particularly her English. और वो कभी एक भी मौका नहीं छोड़ते थे to poke fun. Here the poke fun means to make fun. क्या करने का, उसके मजाक उड़ाने के एक भी चांस नहीं छोड़ते थे. पर्टिकुलरली हर इंग्लिश, बिकॉज हर इंग्लिश वॉज वीक. मालती फेल्ट बैड अबाउट देयर बिहेवियर. मालती को अच्छा नहीं लगता था. वन डे शी वॉज ऑन द वर्ज ऑफ टीयर. हियर द वर्ज मीन्स एट एन एक्सट्रीमली लिमिट, मतलब लिमिट क्रॉस कर गई. द रीमा टीयर मतलब वो रोने भी लगी. रीमा मॉक एट हर mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. So मालती ने ask की जगह अक्स कहा। सो इसीलिए रीमा एंड हर फ्रेंड्स वेयर टू पोक फन ऑन हर। ओके स्टूडेंट।